All right, we're going to show you how to turn the dinette into the twin bed. So first you remove all 4 cushions, the backs and the seats. So you just lift the table up and remove the pole. And then you just rotate the table downwards until it sits on the plywood. The leg can go into storage right there, just like that. And then what I like to do is just move the seat belts out of the way into the middle here. And then you go ahead and put the cushions back on top. Okay, and now it's converted to a bed, and you can go ahead and add your bedding.